Hi guys, today this is an epic day for me. I ordered something that's colorful and I saw this on YouTube. Just opened it up and then boom! Magnet box, dude! Ta-da! There's 2 sets of it. So this is how it looks like. Whoa, and here's a truck that I don't know what it is. It's a vroom thing. Oh yeah.
It's a truck.
Here.
It's a wheels.
Oh, what's in here? Hey, what's in here? Oh, some pieces and oh my.
Oh, lights.
Oh.
You
Lights.
can put it around.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe because it's transparent, as you can see.
Oh, I took it all out.
It's transparent, so you put the light behind there. You actually can light up the whole thing.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna. Oh my! It just snaps in. So let's see. Do it.
Gotta build something with it, right?
It is. See, this kid just built this all by himself. I don't know how he did it, but oh, this is kind of easy.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
You want to challenge it?
Yep. I'm gonna try to do it.
Okay, let's do it.
And let me take out all of the lights. I got everything. Oh, and here's a person. And more person. See? There's a ton of person. And then I'm gonna open it inside.
Let's open it up. Ba-ba-ba.
Ta-da!
Just did one of this. And what you
And now
gotta
I'm going to just build the. Oh my! That light is going crazy. That light is going crazy.
What you gonna do?
I'm going to make the walls. So, oh, get the pieces and oh, they just snap in place. So, oh, it's falling, dude. Oh my.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's alright. It's
What's that?
alright.
Oh, here. I need these pieces. That's 2. Oh my.
This.
No, that's a bad idea. I don't want to let that happen. I want to make it cool. Oh, dude. This is a weird thing. This is such a weird thing to do. Ah! They keep falling. Oh yeah, I ain't got an idea. Let me change it. They connect to here. Oh! Now we're gonna finish it right here. Because it's, oh yeah. I kind of forgot about light. So I'm gonna put blue light in. How did this work?
Yeah, the on off button.
Ah! Why? What is going to happen? Is something going to happen right now?
Huh? You
Something-
didn't on it.
Oh yeah. It was off the hood. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna put it in there. Now shut the doors.
It must be looking good at night in the dark room.
Yeah, it will look good, but I'm scared it will destroy the whole thing. Someone will destroy it. Of course, my little sister. Cool.
You just match 2 square.
Yeah, I'm going to do the same. And there. And there. What? Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, but it's cool. See, it's like the coolest thing ever. This is the last piece. And oh. Hey, this is the. Oh! I built this.
So nice. Poo-poo.
Oh yeah. I remember this. Hey, we need this. Hey, Ali, look, we need to open the persons.
You. Woohoo! Cute. Hi, buddy.
How you doing? Mine does make a turtle.
Oh yeah, so cute of it.
This is actually a turtle.
Yeah, it is. And this is so nice. Who is this little guy standing in front?
He's the security guard. To protect the house when the family left. Oh my! What's this? Oh my! Look at this. This is a flying carpet. Bye bye. I was about to say, stay tuned for the next video. And I'm gonna destroy this.
Huh?
Because I want to build a different